How to create a vertical video playlist with OBS Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you how to create a vertical video playlist with OBS Studio. This process can be useful for broadcasts where viewers will access content via mobile devices or indoor TVs. If you're focused on indoor TV distribution, we have an amazing solution. Our indoor system that's quick, easy, and hassle-free. I'll leave a QR code on screen and a link in the description to learn about this innovative solution. To learn about streaming, e-learning platforms, and more, check the description for a link to our platform with many free courses. For more OBS Studio tutorials, check out our video playlist in the card, where we demonstrate various procedures with this software. To perform this procedure, let's open OBS Studio. Let's create a source and select the VLC video source option. With this, we can create a playlist of videos. Here we can set videos to loop and play in random order. You can choose to select these options or not. Click the plus sign to add videos. Select Add Files and choose your files. After that, just click OK. Great, our playlist has been added to OBS. Now let's adjust it to vertical proportion. Go to Settings, then Video, and adjust base resolution and output resolution. We'll set both to 1080 by 1920, switching the order from what I had. After that, just apply and click OK. Your videos should also be in this format to fill the entire screen space we set. Then simply broadcast or record your video. That's it. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow our social media.